Okay, so to make chocolate chip cookies in the Clean Republic Solar Tube, you're going to need some iced tea, because iced tea is awesome, some pre-made cookie dough, a Clean Republic Solar Tube here, and some sort of solar cookie sheet. Also, you will need the best oven mitt in the world. I have one of the best oven mitts in the world here. You can tell because it has a Hello Kitty, Hello Bunny thing on it. Right. You need to preheat the tube in the sun there for just a couple minutes. Go ahead and put in your cookies into the solar tube oven. And you are good to go. Have some of your iced tea and wait just a little while until your cookies are done. Alright, so it's been about 28 minutes. Iced tea is all gone. Let's see how the cookies are turning out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Solar cookies. Ah, perfect. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Well done. Very well done. Perfect. Look at that shape. Oh yeah. If Snoop Dogg and Martha Stewart ever do a show together again, they should totally do this. So, some people say gas stoves are great, but here at Clean Republic, if we have the choice, we always prefer a little helium-3 fission radiation. Delicious.